Today's word is extenuate, spelled as EXTENUATE. Extenuate. What is the meaning of extenuate? Extenuate is a formal word that is most often used to mean to lessen the strength or effect of something, such as a risk. In legal use, to extenuate a crime, offense, etc., is to lessen or to try to lessen its seriousness or extent by making partial excuses. Example of extenuate in a sentence. Developers are trying to extenuate the various risks associated with the product. Synonyms of extenuate: excuse, palliate, justify, explain, minimize.